No.
Pat, come on. Look it again. Look it again. That's what she said.
You want a spoon?
Pat, come on. Be a man.
No. Am I on video or is this
You're gonna be like a
I'm waiting to take a
Everybody's
picture.
gonna see you.
Pat, I'm waiting to take a picture of this face. Come on.
I have a girlfriend on Facebook. She'll see. She'll know.
I promise I won't post the picture on Facebook.
Why are you taking evidence then? Use your brain,
Personal.
Use your brain evidence.
Personal. It's personal.
Stop some
Come on.
You might like it, Anna. You eating?
Doug. Pat, just put it in. Just swallow it.
Does it taste like cookies?
No, it smells.
Here, pinch your nose. You won't smell it.
Pinch your nose. I'll give you a glass of
No, this
milk.
isn't
You can
worth
drink
$2.
drink it down after.
Okay, $5. We'll give you $5.
10. Make it 10. I don't
Who's gonna? We'll go in. Well, the clinic will pay you $10 for that. Absolutely. I will put that in my budget.
$10.
$10. Eat it. It's a deal.
You should read the ingredients first.
Fucking, it's corn and chicken.
Corn
That's a couple of beers, Pat.
This is a 6-pack.
Come on.
No, you're not that down.
I'm gonna cry.
Morphine, please. I bet that your girlfriend, she won't kiss you anymore.
Where's my $10?
Berlin will.